Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita Lauren.
Pastor Lorena.
Read. Happy birthday po, Tita Lauren. Thank you po sa lahat. God bless you and your ministry. Happy birthday, Tita Lauren. Thank you for your love and your care and your kindness. I'm late, Tita Lauren.
Happy birthday, Pastor Lorena. Thank you for everything. God bless you and your ministry.
Happy birthday on your golden birthday because you're now on the 50th. Sana patuloy kang pagpalain ng Panginoon at patuloy na pagpalain din ng iyong ministeryo at paglilingkod sa Kanya. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Lauren, yung 58 mo, at saka Happy New Year. Sana nasa mabuti kang kalagayan. At kung kami naman dito ay mabuti din. Thank you.
Pastor Lauren, golden girl ka na! Happy 50th! Advance happy birthday kahit medyo matagal pa. Pero sasamantalahin namin yung chance to greet you ng happy birthday and happy new year and may your ministry prosper. Alam namin na matagal na tayong hindi na magkasasamang nagsa-celebrate ng New Year, pero alam naman namin that you're celebrating New Year with your family in Christ. Happy birthday and happy New Year. Also regards to Pastor June and to the brethren of your local in Fremont.
Pastor Lorena, nagagala kami at ikaw ay meron namang isang taong nadagdag na mga pagpapala at biyaya ng Diyos. Dalangin namin ang iyong patuloy na paglago at patuloy na pagsulong ng inyong ministeryo diyan sa LA. Purihin ang Panginoon. Sana maging malusugang lagi at malakas. At kasama si Pastor June Saulo na siyempre yan ang katuwang mo sa mga pasanin sa ministeryo. Lalo kayong tulungan ng Diyos na ipagtagumpay ang gawain ng Diyos. God bless you.